Are we recording?
I don't know. Read that. Are we recording?
Well, yeah, that part I know, but I thought...
You're bad on camera. Can I tell you that?
Yes. Hi, I'm Jimmy's girlfriend. I don't have a first name.
So today we are changing up. We are changing up a room inside of her house. Her brother just recently moved out, and now there's a completely wide open space that we can change up.
Okay.
Tell them a little bit about it.
It's a bedroom, and I kind of need a space for my computer and stuff, so yeah, that's about it.
Okay. So first, before we get started, what kind of color scheme are you thinking about it?
I kind of like something a little not mainstream when it comes to the computer battle stations kind of thing. I kind of like pink, blue, white, and gold, and that's what we're gonna go with. So it's kind of really Disney-esque. You should totally put sparkles and posters there, or else this is gonna look awkward.
I don't think my audience would enjoy that, but we'll do it anyway.
So yeah, that's the colors that I'm going for.
Today's gonna be a very quick sort of thing. We got a quick layout of the room that we're gonna have inside The Sims 4 because let's face it, we can't afford that fancy stuff they got on HGTV. I mean,
Why?
What is this sort of stuff? I don't got any money. You spend all my money.
Yeah, okay, but you love me.
Moving on, let's keep going.
Okay.
Let's open up The Sims.
Okay.
Okay.
This is gonna be supremely awkward.
Okay, I gotta open up The Sims. You guys gotta wait like 5 minutes because it's on a Mac and Macs don't game.
It's not gonna wait 5 minutes for them. They're just gonna cut to pose.
Don't use logic.
Okay, so what?
Since we are using The Sims 4, there's not gonna be exact pieces of furniture. So what you see isn't exactly what we're gonna use, but just something similar-ish.
We should have our own show. Just like judging
What
by
would it
how
be called?
The Sims 4. I don't know. You know you love me.
I debate that every single day. Here's what the room looks like, right? Is that exactly how it looks? Pretty much.
Yes.
Okay. So, what were the type of things you're planning to add into this room?
I kind of need a desk. We're gonna go with the go-to Alex desk.
Where do you want this? Like, right here,
Where the dead
right?
bodies go.
Right here, okay. So we're putting it right there.
Okay. And then I'm trying to get a couch.
Okay, but there's gonna be a couch.
Okay.
What do you think it's gonna look like? A white,
That
basic
one,
white couch?
Yeah, basic.
Basic
I'm probably
white
gonna
couch.
get gray.
Right here or like right down here?
Yeah, right against the wall.
Okay, so right against the wall like this.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted room for like...
The end tape's going right there.
Oh, so you want an end table too? Okay. We don't know what the end table's gonna look like. Let's go something basic like this.
We do know what the end table's gonna look like.
Fewer still. Okay, it's going right here. Okay, what else we going?
And then I want a Vesta right there.
Okay.
IKEA's still sponsored.
You know they can't see you like point where you want it, right?
They'll know.
Here. This thing's
Why
ugly.
is it backwards?
There we go.
It's ugly.
That's just where it's gonna go. So
Okay.
This is the general layout right now.
Yeah.
Then what else are we adding to it?
Okay, so we're actually gonna paint the walls in a certain way. Can you paint these walls?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to paint the walls?
Yeah, so all the walls except for where the desk is gonna be white. And then so where the desk is gonna be like a pink.
This.
And I'm
okay.
gonna put my own design on it, but we're just gonna
We're just gonna paint it pink because that's what it looks like right now.
So it's gonna be pink right there.
Uh-huh.
This is an entertaining video.
Okay. I'm fine.
Jimmy says no gaming chair.
Gaming chairs are tacky. They're ugly. I don't care what people say. You wanted a white chair?
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Then there's gonna be a computer there, right? A computer? A computer. Computer.
You're so funny.
Shut
Look
up.
at my face.
Your computer looks like this monstrosity over here.
Yep. I was going for a 90s vibe.
This is the closest we got to it, so we're just leaving it here.
It's ugly.
Yeah.
It's backwards! It's backwards! You're horrible at this! Already I know this entire project's going to be a complete disaster.
There we go. There we go. It's gonna look better than this, trust me. It's gonna look 10 times better than this. This is just how it ended up looking. You can look at that camera over there, you can look at this camera, or you can look at that camera.
Was this The Office? And I just like... Well, I have a lot of wall art, but we obviously can't put this up there.
Got like a whole bunch of Disney stuff. One right
Yeah.
here, one above your TV, right?
I think so.
And then you want one above the couch too, right on
Yeah.
the couch. The bench would go like right here or right
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, right there.
Right there. Oh, if it fits right here, in
Yeah,
between,
that's yeah.
then that could go there too. You wanted a rug too.
So basically it's gonna look like that. I wish we had more high-tech programming though.
Yeah, but then there's gonna be a bunch of tech stuff all over the place, which you won't get to see until the final product, because you can't put that into The Sims. It's not possible. The Sims is outdated. Get your stuff together, EA. How's your experience with this first video? What do you think?
I don't like cameras.
Well, there's 3 of them.
Still don't like cameras.
Okay, well, she enjoyed this experience. Maybe she'll come join us on the channel again in the near future because we're working on one of her rooms. But I'll see you guys next time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a
Like.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and well,
don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
that's my line.
Okay?